Just going to do this tail light on a 2001 Mitsubishi Pajero, and as it comes real easy, so we just need to undo this connection here and put this new one on. But they're really simple. It's just a clip on the back. You get underneath there, you press that clip, the light comes out, and she's done. So I'm just going to swap all these connections over to the replacement, and we'll pop her in. Okay, so that's all swapped over. To install it, just swing it to the corner there, press it in. And that should be as simple as that. But we might have to bend this bracket up just a tiny bit. It's not quite clipping in there. So I'll just bend that out a little bit just to give a bit more pressure, and she should be right. Yeah, it's in, nice and tight there. And the bumper is a bit damaged, so got a bit of wear and tear, so be it.